make some food.
Hey y'all, welcome to Cooking on the Farm. I'm Rachel and today is a crazy busy day. My kids have done their schoolwork, they have a play date coming up. It's National Day of Prayer, so David and I are heading to where our church is gathering, and then we've got a meeting with the school, and we've got a softball game. It's just going to be crazy. So it is 11 o'clock, and I am going to throw a bunch of stuff in my crock pot, and then right before dinner, I'll stir it all up, and we're going to have some chicken tacos for dinner. All right, guys, come on in. Let's check out our ingredients. We're going to need about 3 pounds of chicken, breast, thighs, doesn't matter. I'm using a couple different kinds of chili powder, about a half a teaspoon of each, depending on your taste. I'm using about a full teaspoon of cumin, some salt and pepper, again, about a half of a teaspoon. So I got chicken breast. There's about 3 pounds here. I'm going to lay them in a kind of a single layer. I'm going to put some seasoning on these guys, and then I'll throw that guy on. So I'm going to put some salt, and I'm just going to throw some salt on this guy. So again, depending on how spicy you guys like your food is kind of what you're going to put on these. I use about a cup of salsa that I'll dump in here in a little bit. Let's throw this guy in here. Snuggle him in. I'm going to grab a little bit of water. Alright guys, I'm just going to throw about a half a cup of water in there. Make sure the bottom is covered. I did not pour it on my chicken with the seasoning because that would just wash off. So when I come back and I add my salsa, I'm just going to spread it all on the top, give everything a good stir, and slap my lid back on. I have this guy set for about 6 hours is when we're planning on eating. So we will bring you back when we're ready to go. See you guys. All right, guys. So this has been cooking for a couple hours. I got back from the store. I'm going to add a cup, a little less, a little more, it doesn't matter, of salsa. I'm going to give it a stir. My meat is starting to break up pretty good. And anyway, you just kind of want to get everything on here. So you can either continue cooking this, keep shredding it as you go, or you can just shred it all at the end, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just giving this, making sure everything has got a little bit of love. All right, and we'll go see you back in a little bit when this is all done and we're ready to eat. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, look at that juice down there. Good little stir. So I'm just grabbing my meat chopper and chopping this guy up. If you don't have one of these meat chopper, invest in one. But if you don't have one now, you can just pull the breasts out and put it on a cutting board and chop it up with either a knife or even shredding it with a fork. Alright, let's dish up a taco. That meat is so tender. The seasoning, you can taste the cumin and all those peppers. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I'm going to eat. See you next time on Cooking on the Farm. God bless, guys. I'm going to try not to overstuff my taco like I always do. Ooh. Cilantro, definitely.
Hold on, you go back over there with the cilantro. If you're going to go for cilantro, let me know you're going for cilantro. Okay.
Cilantro.
No, you got to pick it. Okay, pick it up.
A little bit of tomato. What?
You're going so fast I can't see what
Tomato. I'm going for the onions. That's so good. It's time to eat.
Are you going to sit there and eat it here?
Guess not. Well, no pressure.